Okay, question 9. Coat colour in Labrador dogs is an inherited characteristic. Black coat, so big B colour, is dominant to chocolate colour coat, which is little b. Okay, well, I'm saying little b because chocolate coat, if you're going to see it, has to have both of the little b's. Okay, homozygous black Labrador. So black, big B, and homozygous, so the same copies. Okay, was crossed with a Labrador with chocolate coloured coat. Now chocolate coloured coat, as we just said, is recessive, so to show up as chocolate must be little b. Every single one of the F1 came out big B, little b, which makes sense because this one, on this side, the black coat, could only give big B's, and this one could only give little b's. So the only option is to get big B, little b. If you want to prove it, you can put it in a Punnett square and you can say, okay, if I've got two big B's as my options, little b's as my other options, cross into each one, big B, little b, big B, little b, big B, little b, big B, little b. Okay, all of them will be black. Okay, explain what's meant by polygenic. Polygenic means that you have many genes in the characteristic. Okay, so lots of different genes interaction to decide exactly what the characteristic is going to be. Okay, this has just two forms. It's either black or chocolate. That's it. Okay, but if you have every shade in between, that would mean that you've got several different genes involved. Okay, state the type of variation shown by polygenic. That will be continuous, and that's because we can plot it like this. So say it's weight or height or length or something that we can measure. What we expect is this kind of graph, okay, with whatever the characteristic is here. Okay, and this would be, so for example, as I say, like length in centimeters, let's say that's nose length, okay, and then up the side we've got the number of people. And we've got a small number at the low end, small number at the high end, and we've got a much larger number in the center section of this. Okay, so that's why you get this particular bell-shaped curve. Okay, if it was discontinuous and it was going into your bar graph, kind of because you can put it into specific groups, then this is discontinuous and it is monogenic, meaning it's only got one gene involved in the whole thing. Okay, that's question 9.